Okay, so what got us here was the pedal board was making weird noises, and we circumvented the pedal board and the noise persisted. We tried a different cable and the problem persisted. The last time I used both of these cables, they both worked, and now there's this sound problem we're trying to find. That's what got us to this point. Check the battery on the guitar. And then, so now we need to see if we can find a loose point within the amp. So any kind of switches or buttons or things, you're just going to be real rough with them. Within reason. You're moving the switch vigorously, moving the pot vigorously, tapping things, all while like trying to strum and get sound out of it. At some point, it's just going to go boom and come full in, like normal sound. If that happens while you're messing with this pot, the problem is here. And you can then set everything else to taste, but leave that one alone. If the problem comes back, try thumping it, try moving it, repeat the steps. Maybe you were wrong, maybe it was a step before, but whatever. You're going to find the problem that way by being rough with it. When you hear the full sound, the points are in contact and you're getting a circuit. This next step is only the case if you're using a tube amp. You remember your dad's old TV, you give it a good hard slap. Just slap the back of it one time real hard, kind of right where the electronics are. Anyway, the back like down here kind of in this case. This one's a tube amp, so if yours is a tube amp, the next step then would be to start tapping the tubes, not the cage, the actual tubes themselves with the eraser of a pencil, that kind of soft thingy. You hear a ting, 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 ting. That tube is microphonic and you would want to replace that tube. The solid state slap, the Stockton solid state slap, is only solid state, but it's like old timey, like video games and TVs that you'd see people just give them one hard slap and it'd come back on. That's actually one of the things you can try. It will get you out of a pinch. Anyway, hope that helps.